Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello again everyone, welcome back to my little jungle. Yep, finally I am outside and I can see a lizard there. Yeah, it's getting its sunshine. Well, this plant, I have a box that came yesterday, but yesterday it's a little bit cold, so I decided that I'm just going to do an unboxing this morning. But I just woke up, so it's already 12 something noon. So anyway, I've already trimmed the bottom of this one because, as you know, this orchid came from Carmela's Orchid. So you know them, they always pack their packages so very well. And so without further ado, let's take this off here. I actually did not yeah, it's still so tight. How I wish I just unbox it. Well, anyway, it's working now. Like I told you, they always do good in packaging their package. So, oops, I don't want to lose my. All right. To give you an insight, this is a Dendrobium orchids. My husband asked me. I asked my husband to purchase me these because last winter I killed all of my packages. Orchids. So, ta-da! That's the box, and I have a invoice here. So this is what I got. This is a Hono species. I guess that's what it means. I don't know if I'm right, but these are Hono Dendrobium, and it cost $125. So let's open that one, and let's just paste this here so it don't fly away because the wind is, so heavy right now. So here we go. All right. I think my husband placed this order last week. It's either Friday or Saturday. So that's why they ship it on Monday for sure. And it arrived yesterday. So it only took 3 days to ship it. Okay. Like I said, they always do so good in packaging. That's why I like purchasing from them. But let's remove this here first. That way I don't have to mess with it later. Alright. So I have 4 plants here, I think. Yep, I have 4 plants. So that's all I got. 4 orchids in this box. So let's put this back here. I really dropped my knife. And set this aside. Let me grab my knife first. Oh, because I'm gonna need it for sure. I can't see what I'm doing here. So, alright, let's open this one. This is my first package. Oh gosh, this wind is so crazy. It's alright. How I wish I brought my scissor It's easier to use than the knife. But knife is easier to use when opening the box, so that's why it's alright. We're gonna be successful. Oh, it has a bud. So last year I did not order any orchids because I get so busy here. So this is a Dendrobium mentor. It's a cross with Polyanthum, Anosmum, and Hutunia. I think that's how it gonna read. So this is so wet, but it's alright. I think they did it on purpose though, to prevent from drying. Alright, so we finally opened this one. I want to put this back here. And it has a what? I like that. So beautiful. See? Oh, it's so pretty. This is my mom what has there in Philippines. So I have another one of these. If you remember a few years ago, I bought this type of orchids at eBay, but they died. I don't know why they died, but they died. It only lasts for a few days here and then it died. So I don't know, maybe it did not acclimate well in my place, so it's alright. I have a new one now again. Alright, let's see what's in here. It's Dendrobium for sure, but what type of Dendrobium? It's an osmum, but okay. These don't have buds. I think they said it has buds. I'm not sure. I have to look the listing first before I say anything else. Look at that. How beautiful. But I'm sure these will start to form a buds, because as soon as these leaves are gone, it's going to produce a bud, a flower. So this is Parisiae semi-alba. So that's its name, and it's pretty. I have new growth here as well, like that one there. So I got that, and let's move on to the next one before the wind kick back again. Oops, I think my knife needs sharpening, huh? It's not working on me. Alright, this next one. That's fast. Yeah, it needs sharpening. It's so full of dirt too. Well, I use this knife for everything. I love this knife so much. So that's why it always gets so dull. This one doesn't have a buds either, but soon they're going to. I don't care if they don't have flowers yet, because they're gonna give me flowers soon anyway, if I take care of them properly and if my weather don't kill it. My only problem here is my weather actually. So this is Anosmum, Dendrobium Anosmum Lau number 12, cross with Rhodopterygium rubra. So that's the name of this one. And it's so healthy. See that? It's so pretty. It's just, oh, it doesn't have new growth yet, but I'm sure soon it will get one, like the other two, the other first two. So let's just put it like this. I'm so excited for this plant. I did not order plenty because I was thinking this year I'm just going to have few orchids because I killed my orchids last year because of the winter. They did not survive the winter. So that's why I'm not going to get plenty this time. But I have plenty of plants already. I haven't made any videos with my new plants yet. But 2 days ago, I think it's Tuesday. Oh, the Coast Guard plane is here again. So, come on now. I don't know how to open now. Like I said, Tuesday, I think. Yeah, it's Tuesday night. My husband asked me to go places, and we did. And we went to Home Depot and Lowe's. And of course, it's so hard for me not to go to the plant section. So that's why we went there, and I have plenty of plants. Oh, don't go anywhere, you. Yeah. Okay, this one is so huge. It doesn't have buds yet, but this one is done blooming, if you can see. So that means I'm gonna have a new plants here. It's actually already giving one here. That's a node, a new plant, if not a bud. It's gonna be a new plant. So I'm gonna have more of these if I, like I said, if I take care of it properly. And this one is it has a lot of new growth here. I have 3, gosh. So this is Dendrobium anosmum alba. So this is one of the mother of these 3. So at least mother plant. But maybe not a mother plant, maybe just a sibling, because they cross it. Okay, so I need to get this and put it again in here because anyway, I'm gonna put it in a nice pot later. I don't want this to fly away. I like their media. They're just so nice. Maybe they're using a Orchiata bark or Chiata, whatever. And I like Orchiata bark. I still have more of Orchiata bark because I didn't use it last year. But anyway, all right, so those are my 4 orchids. Yeah, let's see. Look at these. I think I'm just going to put it in a I'm going to put it in my on my orchid tower because my 3 orchid towers doesn't have any orchids anymore. So maybe that's where I'm gonna put these when maybe I'm going to put it there next week. I'm just going to acclimate this here at my place and then I'm going to repot it. Anyway, this video is getting too long. I would like to thank you everyone for your support here at my channel, and especially my channel members. Thank you so much for your trust and support of me, and I really appreciate it. And thank you to all that always support me, especially when I'm doing live streaming, because I love to sing and they're always there to support me, to sing with me as well. So thank you so much, because if I'm not working at my little jungle, I am live and singing, sometimes just chit-chatting with my friends at YouTube, here at YouTube. So if you would like to join me, you're more than welcome. You can sing with me or chit chat with me. It's completely up to you, and I will really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.